Hi there, I'm Jared Patchen with the Woodworking Network. We're coming to you from AWFS 2013. I'm here with Ruan Dutoy from Felder Group. Ruan, tell us a little bit about Felder and the story and everything you guys do.
Well, the story is a long story for us. We've been in the woodworking industry for almost 60 years now. It's a family-owned business. We produce our machines in Austria and Europe. So it's something that comes with a long family history, a big culture of what we call Felder blood, you know, something where we really are very passionate about the machines we sell, and the fact stems from the money we put back into our company. We spend a lot of money on manufacturing equipment and really increasing our manufacturing facilities and so on, keeping it all in-house, you know, trying to really build quality products, something that we can be proud to sell to any segment of the market, basically. You know.
You want to tell us a little bit about, you have multiple lines of tools, hammer, Felder, Format. Tell us a little bit about the differences between those lines.
So, same thing, it was, in the past we had it all spread under one brand, under Felder, and we got known that way. But we found the market needs more diversity, so we split it into 3 brands, starting at the hammer range, which is a light industrial machine for a professional hobbyist, still exquisite quality machines. The Felder range sort of fills the middle gap, and that's really focused on the more industrial guys, the guys looking for real quality machines. And then on the top end of the spectrum we go to Format 4, which again is a line on its own, very focused on CNC manufacturing machines, big edge banders, through feed drilling machines, and so on. Yeah.
So in front of us is Format's new through feed drilling machine. You might tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. So this is the new C Express. It's a new machine we've launched, and we found there's a definite gap in the market for something like this, something that's compact, but it's still fully CNC controlled. So as you can see from the controls, it's all as if it's a normal CNC machine, but instead of having grippers and pads and things that hold the pieces in place, this feeds through automatically, drills horizontally, vertically, and also has a routing head at the bottom to do grooving or cutouts or anything like that. It's a very compact machine, so great for small shops, really something we feel would fit for a lot of small shop customers. Yeah.
Ruan, last year at IWF, we looked at your H10. How does the H8 differ from that one?
Well, the H10 we launched as our first step into nested-based manufacturing. It was a very high-end machine, so for a lot of customers we felt something a little more economical would suit. So we designed the H8, which is a machine that's still built with absolute full European parts, built in Austria with all quality components. We still find there's a lot of customers and a lot of people that are looking for that quality, and there's a lot of people building machines that are economical, but by pulling away and using inferior parts and inferior components on the machine. So the H8 now is available in the common sizes we need, so it's a 4x8 option or a 5x10 option, which is what we need for the smaller shops. It's still a high-speed machine, but what is important is that the machine starts at a much lower price point. So we can get the machine in the sort of 60,000 and just under price point. And when you go to the bigger units where you have really a professional setup, like the unit we have behind us is equipped with HSK tooling, as you would on the bigger, heavier, more sophisticated machines. The machine is also equipped with a full drilling head, so all your carcass drilling, your core drilling that you need to do, you can do that as well. We have the machine equipped with 2 high cycle or heavy duty Becker vacuum pumps, really important to make sure we can hold the small components down. What makes our machine a little different as far as the vacuum goes is that our vacuum fields are split out a little better, and there's more vacuum points on each field, so it means a customer can more easily hold down smaller work pieces without it moving, which is a problem on other machines. And of course, because this is designed for a small shop, we really focus on something that has a very small footprint. So it takes up very little space in the workshop, and really for the general small business owner, a machine that cuts and drills offers a high quality product at the same time.
So in addition to the through feed drilling machines, the 2 CNC machines you guys offer, what else do you guys have for panel processing?
It's obvious, edge banders, of course. Edge banders is something we are proud to have a very extensive line, starting at a real economical price point, still for something with a proper through feed chain feed system and high frequency motors, and going all the way up to CNC controlled edge banders as well, where the adjustments and the setting inside the machine is CNC controlled. Very important for us to have a full line on that side of the panel processing.